Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Acer laptop running Windows 11. Whether you're looking to sell your device, fix performance issues, or simply start fresh, resetting your laptop back to factory settings is a great option. Let's go through the steps. Click the Start menu and type Settings, then click on the Settings app. On the left-hand sidebar, click on System. Scroll down and click on Recovery. Under Recovery Options, click the button that says Reset PC. Now, Windows will ask if you want to keep your files. This will remove all your apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Remove everything. This will do a full factory reset, erasing all your files, apps, and settings. If you want a completely clean start, choose Remove Everything. Next, choose how you want to reinstall Windows. Cloud Download. This will download the latest version of Windows from Microsoft. Local Reinstall. This uses existing files stored on your laptop. I recommend using Cloud Download as long as you have a stable internet connection. You'll see a summary showing that all of your personal data and apps will be removed. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click Next. The reset process will begin. It usually takes about 30 minutes or more, depending on your system. Once it's finished, your Acer laptop will restart just like it was brand new, right out of the box. And that's it. A full factory reset made easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.